Purchasing an E-ZPass. E-ZPass is an electronic toll collection system used across multiple U.S. states to facilitate seamless toll payments. It allows drivers to pass through toll booths without stopping by, automatically deducting the toll amount from a prepaid account. Where to buy an E-ZPass? Online. You can order an E-ZPass transponder by visiting the official E-ZPass website for your state. The registration process requires basic vehicle details and a payment method for toll replenishment. Retail locations. Many states offer E-ZPass transponders at participating retailers such as grocery stores, gas stations, and convenience stores. After purchasing, the transponder must be registered online before use. By mail. Some states allow you to request an E-ZPass application form and submit it via mail, along with payment details. In-person customer service centers. Official E-ZPass service centers are available in many states for those who prefer to register and pick up a transponder in person. E-ZPass states and compatibility. E-ZPass operates in over 17 states, including New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and Illinois. While it works across multiple states, some toll roads or bridges may have different pricing structures based on local regulations. Types of E-ZPass transponders. Standard E-ZPass, a windshield-mounted device that automatically deducts toll payments from a prepaid account. E-ZPass Flex. Available in certain states, this transponder includes a switch for high-occupancy vehicle (HOV) lanes, allowing toll discounts or free travel in some areas. Sticker-based transponders. Some states provide a more affordable sticker-based version that functions similarly but is non-transferable between vehicles. Costs and fees. Transponder costs. Some states charge a fee for the transponder, while others provide it for free with an initial deposit or prepaid toll balance. Prepaid balance. Users must maintain a minimum prepaid balance that automatically replenishes when funds run low. Account fees. Certain states charge account maintenance fees while others offer fee-free accounts. Benefits of using E-ZPass. Discounted tolls. Many states provide discounted toll rates for E-ZPass users compared to cash or pay-by-mail options. Time savings. Allows for faster travel by reducing delays at toll booths. Convenience. Enables automatic toll payments without the need for cash or stopping at toll plazas. Setting up and managing an E-ZPass account. Once you receive the transponder, it must be activated and linked to a prepaid account. Payments can be managed via automatic replenishment with a credit card, bank account, or manual top-ups. Users can update vehicle details, review transactions, and monitor toll usage through the online account portal or mobile app. Purchasing an E-ZPass provides a seamless toll payment experience, making travel more efficient and cost-effective. By choosing the right type of transponder and understanding the associated costs, users can maximize savings and convenience on toll roads.